Hi, I'm Irene. I'm part of La Chic Duo, and today I'll be speaking about arpeggio patterns for the right hand, commonly known as fingerstyle technique. Now, arpeggio patterns are used to decorate a type of harmony. Say you have an A minor chord and you're strumming it. With an arpeggio pattern, the fingers plucking the notes one by one. Now, to better demonstrate this technique, we're going to use the classical guitar method of right hand fingering. So we're going to assign the thumb as P, the index finger as I, middle finger as M, and ring finger as A. So that's P, I, M, A. Now we're going to go through different patterns in different meters. For the pattern of 2, you're going to be using PM repeatedly. That's PM. Moving on to the pattern of 3, and we're going to use PIM. Now a pattern of 4, that's PIMA. To a pattern of 6. That's PIMAMI. And then the last pattern of 8, and that's PIMI. Do this short example to demonstrate how you can switch from the different patterns. I'm going to take an A minor chord and I'm going to begin in 2 and then move on into the pattern of 8. So this is in 2. Now in 3. Now in 4. I'll be finishing the lesson by going through the first phrase of Blackbird. This song uses 2 different types of arpeggio patterns. The first one is P and M played simultaneously, followed by I. So that's PM, I. The second arpeggio pattern is in the pattern of 8, and that's PM, IM, PIM, PM, IM, PIM. So if you were to play the first couple of measures, you would go PM, I, PM, I, PM, I, PM, I, M, PIM. So the whole song would sound like this.